Today, I'm going to share with you what KeryFlex nail restoration is. KeryFlex is a type of nail restoration treatment that is designed to improve the appearance of damaged or discolored toenails. It is a cosmetic treatment that is used to create a natural-looking, healthy nail. The KeryFlex nail restoration system uses a special resin material to create a flexible, durable artificial nail that is designed to match the color and texture of the natural nail. The resin is applied in layers to the damaged or discolored nail and then cured using a special UV light. The process typically begins with the removal of any loose or damaged portions of the nail, followed by a thorough cleaning and preparation of the nail bed. The resin material is then applied in thin layers, with each layer being cured under the UV light for a few minutes. Once the desired thickness and shape of the artificial nail is achieved, it is buffed and polished to give it a natural, smooth appearance. The final result is a durable, natural-looking nail that can last for several months, depending on the individual's level of activity and maintenance. For more information, call us or visit our website.